Hello, little friends! Today we are going to draw the beautiful Princess Rapunzel. Let's get started with excitement. First, we draw Rapunzel's head, complete with her cute ears. Then we continue to draw Rapunzel's body and hands in front of her body. Follow the steps as in the video, friends. Now we draw Rapunzel's skirt. Draw a line down like this. And give a pretty wave at the bottom of the skirt. Then draw her legs as well. Now, the most distinctive and unique part of Rapunzel. That's right, her amazingly beautiful long hair. Let's draw the wavy hair like a long braid hanging down. Don't forget to add some cute flowers in her hair. Follow along like in the video. Now we draw Rapunzel's little friend, Pascal the chameleon. He's at the bottom looking at Rapunzel with his cute big eyes. We've drawn his coiled tongue, the pattern on his back. Next, we draw Rapunzel's beautiful eyes, like this, friends. And finally, don't forget to draw the butterfly that's sitting on Rapunzel's hair. Our drawing is done. So pretty. Now it's time for coloring. First of all, we color her eyes and eyelashes black. Then give her cheeks a blush color and a sweet smile on her mouth. We give her clothes a bright pink color and dark pink for the skirt. For the skin of her face, hands, and feet, we give a milky white color. We thickened her eyebrows with black color to make them clearer. Then, the fun part. We colored Rapunzel's long hair golden yellow. Also add color to the flowers in the hair, cute butterflies. And don't forget the green color for Pascal the chameleon. Lastly, we drew shadows underneath Rapunzel and Pascal to make it even cooler. It's really pretty, isn't it? You draw really great. Don't forget to subscribe, click like, and share this video with your friends. See you in the next drawing video. Bye guys.